Let's take a look at join elimination, a feature within Snowflake that can help you save on cost and significantly speed up your queries. Here is the beauty. It's easy to implement and use. That said, let's jump into a demo. Here we have a simple query. We're going to set a stage by creating 2 tables with 10 records. The interesting thing about these 2 tables is a key that is common between those 2 tables. The first table is a reference table. Take a look at that. That table has a key and some details and some dimensional type data. Take a look at the base table, which we're going to be joining with. That table also has the key, which is common to our reference table, and some more details. Think about this as your fact table, and the reference is the dimensional table. If we do nothing and we just go in to write a select statement to join against those 2 tables on the common key, what's interesting is we only bring back results from our base tables. We're not touching our reference table. Here we have a redundant join. We can make the argument that is this join really needed? Go ahead and execute this. Results have been returned. Taking a look at the query profile, we can see that a join was performed against the 2 tables and returning the results. We know joins could be very expensive when it comes to SQL. Now, how can we fix this to eliminate this join? Going back to our query editor, we're going to alter the reference table and add a constraint on the key. Now, Snowflake does not enforce primary key constraints. You're going to have to enforce that yourself. But this will hint to Snowflake to know when to use this for eliminating the joins. Once we have a primary key set, do an alter on that constraint and enable rely. I'm doing this in 2 steps. So step 1 and step 2 to do a rely, or you can do it all in one statement when adding your constraint on the primary key and specify the rely. All of this is in the documentation. With that said, go back and execute the same query, change the number here so we don't get it from cache. Run this. Take a look at the query profile. We now see our results with the join has been eliminated, and this query runs faster than the previous query. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Join elimination, a very powerful tool in Snowflake. If you're not using it, you definitely want to make sure you jump on this and use it where possible. It could save you some time and help you run on Snowflake very efficiently. Thanks for watching.